Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Bros. Wonder on your Android device. It's exciting to bring this fantastic game to your mobile, but it requires a few steps. We'll cover everything from choosing the right software to optimizing your settings. Remember, a capable Android phone is crucial for a good experience, so let's dive into the details and get you playing this wonderful adventure. To begin, you'll need a reliable Nintendo Switch emulator. Yuzu and Sudachi are currently excellent choices, offering strong compatibility and performance. For your device, aim for at least 6 to 8 gigabytes of RAM and a Snapdragon 720 processor or better. These specifications ensure the emulator runs smoothly. Additionally, installing custom GPU drivers, such as Turnip for Adreno GPUs, can provide a noticeable boost in graphical fidelity and speed. Next, you'll need the game itself, usually found as an XCI or NSB file. Alongside the game, you'll require specific system files, the prod keys, and the console's firmware. These are crucial for the emulator to function correctly and recognize games. Once you have these, you'll place them into designated folders within your emulator's installation. Keeping these files updated is important for optimal game compatibility and performance, ensuring a seamless experience. Finally, let's optimize your gameplay. Within the emulator settings, try enabling docked mode and setting the resolution to 1x for a stable frame rate. For graphics, selecting the Vulkan API usually offers superior performance compared to OpenGL. Experiment with settings like asynchronous shaders and disk shader cache for smoother visuals. For the best experience, connecting an external Bluetooth controller is highly recommended, transforming your phone into a portable console.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.